Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.
Which one of the following sets of ions represents a collection of isoelectronic species? Option A Li plus, Na plus, Mg2 plus and Ca2 plus. Option B K plus, Cl minus, Ca2 plus and Sc3 plus. Option C Ba2 plus, Sr2 plus, K plus and Ca2 plus. And option D N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus and S2 minus. The correct answer is option B, that is K plus, Cl minus, Ca2 plus and Sc3 plus, all are isoelectronic species. Here option B is correct, as K plus, Cl minus, Ca2 plus, Sc3 plus ions represents a collection of isoelectronic species, as all ions have 18 electrons. Thank you for watching.